Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear wonderful Muslim friends, being kind to others is the key to Jannah. A believer is always kind with others. Our Prophet Muhammad, may the mercy and blessings of Allah be upon him, is the best example of kindness. He was not only kind with Muslims, but also with non-Muslims and everyone alike. He is the best role model for humanity, and it is mentioned in Tirmidhi that the Prophet Muhammad, may the mercy and blessings of Allah be upon him, said, "He is not one of us, the one who is not merciful to the young and respectful to the elderly." Anas radiallahu anhu served the Prophet Muhammad, may the mercy and blessings of Allah be upon him, for many years. Anas said, "I served Allah's Messenger for 10 years, and he never said to me, 'Shame,' or 'Why did you do such and such a thing?' or 'Why did you not do such and such a thing?' This proves we need to treat everyone with kindness, regardless of their age, gender, or status in the society. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Surah Nahl, Ayah 128, Allah favors those who go righteously and those who are kind. If we want to be among the favorite people of Allah, we should be humble with people and treat them with compassion. People around us, like our parents, siblings, relatives, friends, teachers, or neighbors, have the right on us, and we should treat them with ultimate compassion. Jarir reported, the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "He who is deprived of kindness is deprived of goodness." Sahih Muslim. Let's be practical Muslims and instill kindness in our character and not deprive ourselves of goodness. So for now, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.